Hello everyone, my name is Fitri. Today I will teaching like a teacher and I will use total physical response or TPR. TPR is one of the English teaching approaches and methods. This method attempts to center attention to encouraging learners to listen and respond to the spoken target language commands of their teacher. The characteristic of TPR is they listen and respond physically to commands by the teacher, and TPR will the teacher will place an active and direct role. In TPR, the teacher are responsible for giving commands and monitoring action taken by the learners. A teacher commands to learners and performs the action with them. So, this is the example for TPR.
I will sip the water. I will drink the water. I will chug the water. I will sip the water. I will drink the water. I will chug the water. I will take a break. I am taking a break. I took a break. I will leave. I am leaving. I left. I will turn the light off. I am turning the light off. I have turned the light off.
I think is enough. Thank you for listening and watch this. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.